Oh, I killed him, baby. Oh, baby, he got one. He got one.
Let them have dominion over the fish of the sea, and over the birds of the heavens, and over the livestock, and over all the earth, and over every creeping thing that creeps on the earth.
Looks like a Tom. I can't see the beard yet though. The one's ahead.
The far one.
What?
The far one. The one down the hill. The other one's right up here. He's coming up right now. See him?
It's got a white head.
Huh?
I can't see the beard.
I can't see the head. This one's coming up right here.
I know, I see. Is he still coming?
It's a Jake. Right?
Yeah, shoot if you want to shoot. You're gonna get a chance like this again.
I don't have a shot.
Right. If you're gonna shoot it now. That's a good bird.
Should I take him?
If you want to. That's a good bird.
He's got like no beard.
So, same size as mine.
Huh? Take him.
I would. Wait till it gets like broadside. Now. That's still a decent bird, dude. Look at his freaking spurs.
Hello everybody, it's opening day of turkey. What is it, May 4th?
Yep, May 4th.
May 4th. And this is my first ever bird. Pat was kind enough to bring me out on opening day and do the calling for me and teach me the ways of turkey hunting. And we heard this Jake gobble bright and early before shooting light. And they flew right down in front of us, came right up the hill, gave me a perfect shot. Couldn't be happier. Now we're gonna go try and get Pat a bird. And we haven't heard any other shots today besides mine, so it's a great morning for us. Thanks for bringing me out here.
Of course.
And thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. hopefully that footage was good for you guys. It's kind of hard self-filming turkeys, but I think I got it done. So thanks for watching. Until next time, shoot straight and follow Jesus.